Hello my friends, my name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen and the 386th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to share with all of you a blueberry pie, and it's the summertime and you know what that means, fresh berry season. I'm going to use fresh blueberries, oh yes. And my friends, this pie is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make, and it's going to be full of blueberry goodness. A great summertime dessert and great to serve it at your barbecue cookouts and fish fry. Now, I'm going to love and enjoy this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my pies recipes playlist from apple pie to sweet potato pie and my previous video, Southern Cheese Grits Casserole. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your pie crust, your fresh blueberries, and your spices, sugar, because we're about to bake some blueberry pie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl, I have 4 cups of fresh blueberries that I washed. And then to our blueberries, we're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 of a teaspoon, which is a pinch of ground nutmeg. 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And all we do is just stir all these together until it's well incorporated. It will create a glaze. And be careful not to bust the blueberries. Alright, as soon as I finish stirring up my blueberries, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, and just that quickly, our blueberry filling is done. See how simple and easy it was? Alright, now we're ready to pour it into our pie crust. We're going to pour it in a 9-inch pie plate. And I'm just using a refrigerated pie crust, but I have a recipe on a homemade pie crust. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box, or you can use a frozen pie crust. Alright my friends, now we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of butter that I cut into chunks. Right on top. Alright, so now we're going to set it aside while we work on the top crust. Alright my friends, I have my pie crust on my counter. We're going to make a lattice crust. So using my pastry cutter, we're just going to cut them into strips. Like so. Alright. So now we're going to take a lattice strip. We're just going to put them right on top. Like so. And then we're going to crimp the edges. Just like that. Alright, as soon as I get all my pie strips on top, I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, have got all my pie strips on top. So now, we're ready for the final step. Over here in my bowl, I have an egg wash. It's just 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of water, or you can use milk. Just going to brush it on top of the crust. It'll give it a nice golden brown color when it comes out of the oven. And this is optional, but I'm going to add some more butter on top. Got like a buttery crust. Gonna be buttery-licious. And last but not least, gonna sprinkle some white sugar right on top. And I always put some aluminum foil around the edges of the pie so that way it won't get too brown before the pie's baked. Alright, now it's time to put this blueberry pie in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 375-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 50 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Blueberry pie. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. Look how pretty that is. The crust is golden brown. Look at those blueberries, plump and juicy. I can't wait to dig in. Alright, so now I'm going to let the pie cool on the wire rack completely. And then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I'm serving it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. That looks mighty tasty. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Grab me a little ice cream. Buttery. And the blueberries is tender. Great balance of flavor. This blueberry pie is amazing, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Blueberry pie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And also hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. Or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.